Hi everyone, I'm Rohit, the co-founder of Scrollroll. For those who don't know what Scrollroll is, we are viral content creators, mostly in the form of posters, minimal art, illustrations. This is an old screenshot from last week, and within this week the reach and likes has increased tremendously because we had posted a very controversial content. I'll get to that later. So I was working here at CKS till last year as a graphic designer, and I was helping them organize the Pecha Kucha last year, and this year I've been invited as a speaker here, so it's a great, I'm feeling really good. It brings back many fond memories. So I've been working as a graphic designer since 2011. I've worked with agencies and corporates designing logos, posters, banners, emailers, you name it. But none of it was actually exciting me enough. You know, I wanted to be a designer, but what I was doing was actually not, I felt it wasn't taking me anywhere. I wanted to do something entertaining. I didn't want to solve problems, but I wanted to do something entertaining. So I came across the minimal Bollywood posters by Akshay Pathak. I didn't find the designs I didn't like the designs that much, but I thought it was a great idea to depict movies, to say a lot without showing much. So I thought I would like to do something similar, and that really inspired me. So I used to travel a lot in Delhi Metro. I thought I'll do something around that. I'll make cartoons around people I used to come across every day, like young girls not vacating their seats for senior citizens not saying thank you when somebody gave them their seats, or kids dancing around the poles, and wannabe guys wearing shades inside the metro. So yeah, so I had such ideas. Then I came across my other co-founders, Vishnu and Ashwini. They also had similar thoughts, and they're very creative. And they have great concepts. So I thought that I would be able to implement their idea as well. But we were not very aggressive about it. We were very lazy. We kept on thinking that we'll do it, but we actually never started it. Then we came across these posters by Zomato. There are two kinds of people in this world. And this made us think that we should do something similar, and we thought we could add a third angle to it. Like, there are not just vegetarians and non-vegetarians, but there are those who eat both. But again, we just kept thinking. And we were waiting that we'll do it someday. And while we were waiting, somebody else went ahead and did it. So that's what made us realize that, we couldn't keep waiting, and that's what made us actually jump in, and we realized that we have to be on our toes all the time. So we went ahead and did a series of posters on Delhi winters. We called it Delhi Ki Sardi. The things we do in Delhi winters and why Delhi winters is famous. Like, we cannot take baths and it's difficult to get out of the quilt. So yeah, we didn't expect a great response, but it was decent enough. Like schools being closed. And after this, we did a series of posters on single versus taken. This was around Valentine's Day, and this was from a guy's perspective. And we didn't expect a great response from this as well. We just posted it and went to sleep. The next morning when we woke up, we saw that it was everywhere. It was going viral, and it was going international, and it was featured on all the leading websites. So yeah, it was something really unexpected. This particular poster received a lot of attention because when we made them, we had the typical small town Indian mentality in mind. We didn't think it would go international, but it did go international, and people thought that we were trying to say that those who have beards are single. But we were trying to say that single guys don't pay much attention to grooming. So it received a lot of negative criticism. But as they say, any publicity is good publicity. So within 1 month, we were featured on all the leading websites, Huffington Post, BuzzFeed, we were everywhere. And we started taking it seriously actually, because before this, we just were doing it as a hobby. After we after we started getting the response, we thought we should get serious, and it became a passion. So yeah, we started doing more and more work. Like, this is something we did for Game of Thrones, like Game of Thrones needs brands. And the people really started appreciating it. This is something we did around Halloween. This is something really melodramatic we did to attract the masses, a series of posters on Mother's Day, and this is to bring some nostalgia about Indian monsoons. And as we started doing more and more work and people started liking it, other brands and websites started approaching us for collaborations and doing similar kind of work for them. This is something we did for oil rooms, like Mogambo in a Bengali avatar, and there's Gabbar doing Garva and Shahenshah doing Bhangra. So yeah, we've been doing similar kind of work for other brands. This is something based on the Adarsh Balak series. This is Adarsh Boyfriend and Adarsh Girlfriend. We did this for a dating app called Bee. This also got quite popular, and it also got viral. But it also received some criticism because some people don't get sarcasm and they thought that we're actually saying these things, that's how an Adarsh girlfriend should be. And we've also been making political cartoons based on current affairs, and this has led to a recent tie-up with Dainik Bhaskar. They have a daily print of 50 lakhs and social media reach of 24 crores. So yeah, this is a major landmark for us. A lot of our work gets stolen as well. People have been removing our logos and using it as their own creatives. Leading websites like Men's XP and the Business Insider, they keep using our content without giving us due credits. But we have been reporting a lot, but then there's only so much you can do. So we've accepted it and we've realized that it's a part of the business. So yeah, I feel I'm slowly inching towards the recognition that I wanted. So whenever I tell people that I do this and I show them my work, they tell me that they've seen it somewhere. They might not remember the name, but they've seen the content. And I'm getting a lot of appreciation. So yeah, this is an achievement I feel. And the latest work we did is when Indian mythology meets today's digital technology. And this has been our best, most successful post till date. We received, get a lot of criticism, but like it has been, the appreciation has been tremendous. But I have received threat calls. Religious fanatics have been like sending me nasty messages. We take this down. आप कैसे कर सकते हो हमारे भगवान के साथ ऐसा, and all those things. And next, then we are trying to get into merchandise as well. Like these are minions in Bollywood groups. So I thought this would look good as on T-shirts, and we're trying to get into videos as well. So yeah, a lot of different stuff is in plans.